In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the quick login tool on Roblox on console. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, firstly, you want to make sure Roblox is obviously installed. Go ahead and open it up. Now, this can be really useful, especially if you're already logged into Roblox on your phone or anything like that. So you already have the app downloaded. So all you want to do is open up Roblox, then go over to sign in. It's going to be the second option. You can obviously, use your username and password if you know it, but the quick option is using your QR code login. It says scan this QR code from your logged in device's camera. So all I'm going to do on my phone is literally just open up Roblox. Now, once Roblox is open, regardless of what device you have, press the bottom right button where it says more, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see quick sign in. Now, you can enter the code from another device, which is what I'm going to do. So as you can see on my screen, it says 9FXV8R. So I'm going to type that in right now on my phone. So once you type that in, just press enter, and then it says you're about to sign in. Then you just got to confirm the login, and then it says login successful. Now it's automatically going to transfer to Roblox, and as you can see, I'm signed into my Roblox account. It's that simple. Now I can play Roblox from my PlayStation if I want to on this account. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.